Let's read some sentences together. Remember, sentences are groups of words that convey a meaning, and they have a noun, that's a person, place, or thing, and a verb, that's an action word. Where does this sentence belong? Can you sound it out? The flag is red and black. The flag is red and black. Which one of these pictures matches that sentence? Right, let's put it there. Take a look at these pictures. Can you find where this sentence goes? Sound it out. The glass has pop in it. The glass has pop in it. Which one of these pictures is of the glass has pop in it? Right, we'll put it there. Where does this sentence belong? Sound it out. Seven ducks swim in the pond. 7 ducks swim in the pond. Where does it go? Right, we'll put it right there. Where does this sentence go? Sound it out. The man stands on a big black raft. The man stands on a big black raft. What picture looks like that? Right, we'll put it there. Thanks for reading these sentences with me. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye!